Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share with you a project I recently created. I first saw this project on Robin Pitt's channel. She had created one and linked the tutorial to the project, which was at Tasha's Crafty Corner, and I will link both of those down for you so you can check them out. Anyhow, Tasha made this tutorial for this project, and I just knew when I saw it I had to create one as well. I want to show you the products I used. So a while back I hauled these. I think they're in a haul video I have. These were from Instagram from Gloria, also known as Gina, and she's at Crafty by Nature. She made these beautiful swans, and they're resin, and I just had to incorporate them into my project somehow, some way, someday, and I did. And then I also used this older collection called Baby Girl. It's by Recollections. The only reason I purchased this was because of those fabulous swans, and there's several papers in here that, even though this is baby, I know you can't see what I'm flipping through, sorry. Anyway, there's several that are baby, but there's a lot of swans in here, so I had to use that collection for this project. So bear with me because it's kind of hard to film this, but I will do my best. And I am presenting this with nothing in it because I don't know what exactly I want to use with it just yet. But look at this little caddy. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I mean, it is so pretty, and it's actually really good size to keep on your desk. The handle does swivel down, so if you wanted to use it to hold your rulers or your scissors or whatever you want, you could do that easily. It would also be fun to gift to a friend or share with a pen pal, or I don't know, there are just so many things you could do with this caddy. You could make it without pockets on the outside or with the pockets. It just depends on what you wanted to put or how you wanted to put this together. So I'm going to slowly go around just so you can see the different sections of this and the handle, the way I did it. I have it held on with a brad, and I just put a rose on top. I did not want to see the brad. And if you notice in Robin's, she has this heavily embellished here, but I didn't want it. I just wanted to keep it kind of simple. And I have that swan. Now see, because I had this swan paper here and I didn't want them to be hidden, I didn't put the trim around. I only added it in a couple of sections along the top edge, but I think it looks fine anyway. So the point of this is that it has these little pockets on the side, and you can put embellishments. Now if you watch Tasha's video, she has a different style box that opens sideways, and I decided to try a different kind of box in mine. I didn't want to do the sideways. I wanted to have them upright, so I did this box right here. And what I did was I created a little window using a die, just like she did with hers, but hers open this way. Mine is opening this way from the top. So anyhow, I put the window in like she did. I put a little bow from a bow die, a little pom-pom there from In Love Arts, and I just embellished the box with the paper. I think this is so cute. It houses, you can, give it, if you're giving it as a gift, you can put little stuff in there on a piece of card. And then as you can see back here, that's the pocket. So it holds, it doesn't even have to have boxes. If you don't want to put boxes, you can just use that to hold other little things that you may have on your desk. I even thought it would be cute to set it on a Lazy Susan so it would spin, if you want to do that as well. So I don't have anything in all of the boxes, just this one as a demonstration because I really didn't know what to put in there just yet. But there's that beautiful swan. Isn't that just gorgeous? And then I'll turn it this one so I can just show you all the boxes. I just have a little doily on this one. I didn't put a window on all of them. I just did every other one with a window, and that's the pocket there. If you turn it this way, here's another one that does have a window, and there's nothing in it, but you can still see how that looks in the back there. Here's one that I did not put a window on again, but I used a doily die that I have and a little sticker and the bow, and just so cute. Here's this one here. Window. Nothing in it, but it's there. And then this one here, which I put a little swan from the Maggie Holmes sticker book, a doily die from my stash, and a bow. I did, I know you probably cannot see, we're back to where we started. I did machine stitch on all the pockets, and I stitched the box as well along the top. There was something I wanted to tell you. Oh, I did the inside as well. I lined it with just some solid cardstock that matched, and the polka dot paper, of course, is from Joann's with their 10, you know, when they do their paper on sale. This plaid as well. That's what I meant earlier when I showed those in a collection, was that you can use those as extensions to the pads you already have, which is really nice. So anyhow, but I did stitch the handle too. It has some sewing on it. I triple layered it, so it's pretty sturdy. This box is really sturdy. You just want to use a really heavy cardstock, and I would suggest before you think the project through a little bit of how it's going to come together, where the patterns are going to go. Unless you do it all one color, it'd be really easy that way. But with patterns, you have to kind of plan ahead of time. But anyhow, that's it. I just really wanted to show you how beautiful this little project is. She has another one that I want to try too. It's another Craft Caddy, and I definitely want to try that one. But I'm going to take a little break for a minute. But thank you, Tasha, for the tutorial, Robin for the direction to the tutorial, and thank you all for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.